Hey, I'm here at my son's house this time. Kaya balik yan ako dito. So, adamot yung Instapat na. But his Instapat is called Instapat Viva. Mine was like Duo Gourmet. But both of them has this yogurt cooking function on it. So, but this time, I made plain yogurt before. But this time, I'm going to make, I'll add a little bit of sweetener. So I decided to use condensed milk, or you can also use what's called this one, honey, whichever is healthy, or whichever you prefer. But this time, ate lang ti yogurt nga dakin so ay nga sweetener so ulit ito sarap. And then I'm going to use 1% of whole milk. I'm also going to use the same brand kasi $2 lang ato. So, and it should be newly opened, and you need to check on the ingredients. It should have an active bacteria on it, just like my first video. Okay, all you need to do, same thing as like before. Mabaling na. Can you hold my camera?
Okay.
Yeah. Ganun. So, ikabil nyo lang apo dito may isang jug. You'll put the whole jug. In sa pot.
5 liters ata niya.
4.
4?
4 liters. And then, I just need to grab spoon. Okay, newly open. Should be newly open. Kasi no hanga newly open, I want to the bacteria.
Itabil mo aming letra.
Siguro kabil ko lang.
Bugong pa yan.
You just need to stir. Stir mo tapos. It's either condensed milk or a honey.
Oh, ano sweet yan.
Yeah, this is sweet na. Pagtok mo latan.
Mukha kira ulo na itan. Padala ba natin avocado?
So, turkiwarin ng apo.
Wow.
Turkiwar should be like this. Tisha told me just to do it like that. Okay. Yan. So, napasetan. Sirata yun. And then, you go to your daily function na pindutong tea yogurt. So, 8 o'clock, after 8 hours, you have a fresh yogurt. But the only difference that you inarami ko din muna is that I put condensed milk as my sweetener, and the other one was just plain yogurt. There you go. Good morning. Ito yung niluto natin na may yogurt with condensed milk. And na after 8 hours. Whoa. Naman the texture. Tingnan natin yung texture. Oh. Yung texture niya. Ganda yung consistency. Yummy. Ito na yung yogurt. So for we 1 gallon, 4 liters of 1% whole milk. Ito tinarami ko nga yogurt. So basically, I only spend ingredients wise since naka-sale the milk 50%. So 250 plus the yogurt yan that the active bacteria nga $2, $1.99. So $3.50. I made this much of yogurt. Mas nanak ko ng container na gito. Ito yung container. And you can store it in your fridge for at least 2 weeks. So, the supply of yogurt ko katan. So this is the sweetened one that I made. 1, 2, 3. Ito narami tayo. So from $3.50 ito tinarami doon. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye. I forgot my phone. Start the fridge.